Hello guys, Wafers Forever here. I am going to make a video tutorial on how to use Pokesav correctly. Okay, this is the main menu of the program. We're going to say that you want to create a Pokemon. As you can see, I've already made one, so we'll make a second one. First of all, always choose what you want to make first. Let's see, what do we want to make today? It's not that hard. You just scroll down the list, or you can just type in a name, or part of a name, and it'll take you right to it. Like I've just picked Heatran. Same thing with the items. You just pick, scroll, or type in. From there, put in your trainer ID. Mine's 34076. Along with your secret ID, which mine would be 59659. You can set its level to anything you want from 1 to 100. We'll set ours at 96. Does that feel like it? Then you can set happiness anywhere from 0 to 255. This determines how much they, etc., love you. Well, I should say quote love you, but you get it. From there, you click generate. And this is where you pick their nature, their gender, and if they're shiny or not. So you just click this. Same thing with everything else. You can just type in it. You can type in what you want, and it'll go right to it. You can pick the gender here. We'll set it as female. You can change if it's shiny or not by just clicking that box. Make sure you hit generate to make sure it's correct. Then press OK. From there, you can go to the Pokesav box right here and choose if it's already infected with it, or if it's cured, or if you decide to click both, it'll stay infected, so what's the point? Here you can put your IVs anywhere from 0 to 31. We'll set them to 31. Then you can set your EV values, effort values, anywhere from 0 to 255. The legal amount is only 510 IVs added up all together, so just keep that in mind if you're looking for legitness. You can click just the original name, or if you want to nickname it, you can do this. See all those trash bites down there? Make sure they all say FF. Otherwise it may not go in correctly. We'll just type in test for this. If you give it a nickname, make sure you click the nicknamed box. Same thing with this one, make sure they all say FF. It's a little hard holding this thing with one hand and talking and typing at the same time. You can choose whoever caught the Pokemon, was male or female, so we'll say it was female. From here you can choose what Pokeball it was caught in, what ability it has, if it has any of those markings for the boxes, which I never use. It's up to you. From here you can choose its moves. Just like the other drop down menus, you can just type in part of a word or a Pokemon move and it'll just go right to it. I'm just putting in random moves that come to mind, as you can tell. So this one would not be completely legit, but that's not what we're here for. You can put anywhere from 0 to 3 up here. Each number that you put in there represents a PP upgrade. For some moves, it increases the how many times you can use the move by 1, some by 3, some by 5, and sometimes by 6, I think. Yeah, that's right. There's some moves that you can just use multiple times. Nightmare Storm, for example, when maxed out, you only use 8 times, I believe. Calm Mind, you can use 24 times. Bubble Beam, I want to say 32. Earth Power, I want to say 16. From there, you just pick where you got it from. Oh, we'll just say 70, Stark Mountain. change the date where you got it from. Now, this is important. If you set it to where you hatched the Pokemon, then you need to do this instead. Let's say you still hatch the egg at Start Mountain, so it'll be level 1 when you got it. Make sure you set egg hatch stat, make sure it's from daycare. Yeah, it's a little strange. It should have been you met the egg at the daycare and hatched it somewhere else, but it's not. Then you can set the date where you got the egg and everything right here. From there you need to go up here and choose what language the Pokemon is. And if it's a faithful encounter, you can set it to that, although you really shouldn't if you're looking for legitness. You can go to ribbons. You can check mark any box you want with any ribbon, or you can just click all ribbons, or you can just delete all the ribbons you have selected so far. From there, you go to the hometown. You pick what game it came from. So I got Soul Silver, so we'll set that came from Soul Silver. Down here, you can check if it's won any of the Sinnoh contests. And then you can set its contest stats. Pressing Alt 255 will just max out all its stats. The last thing you need to do is go to Stats Edits and just click Max All. Those will be the stats of the Pokemon you've chosen. You hit OK. Go up here to OK. Now you have 2 Pokemon. Export ARDS code. You come down here. Since I've got 2 Pokemon, I'll do that. Click those 2 boxes. After you save the file, you reopen it with Notepad or anything else you want to open it with, as long as it'll show the code. Then here's your code. I need Soul Silver's code, so I scroll down. Here it is. Cut and paste it. You open the ARDS code manager. Yours may look different because I've got the DSi version. You right click on the game. You add new cheat, click in that box, you paste the code, and you come up here and you type in whatever you want to name the code. And then your code's in. All you do is put your DS in, your ARDS in, and you put the code over. That's it. It's that easy, folks. I normally do this a lot faster. I was just going slow and trying to explain it step by step, and not to mention I just did wake up, and I'm using my brother's iPod to record this since I couldn't find a screen recorder that actually worked. So, thanks for watching.